Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I'm sitting in 2012 Ford F-150 Lariat, and I will show you how to reset the oil life and set it to 100%. This video should apply to Ford F-150s made from 2009 all the way up to 2014. Now what you will do, first you will press this left menu button on the steering wheel to enter the main menu, and then you will scroll down until you reach settings and press OK in the middle, and then you will go down to vehicle, press OK, and scroll down until you reach oil life reset and press OK again. And now you can select the percentage you want to set it to. So if I want to set it to 50%, I will press OK and hold it. And now oil life is set to 50%. But I just did the oil change, so I will set it back to 100%. And this is what you should do after every oil change, right? So press OK and hold it, and that's it. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.